India's groundbreaking mission to the moon on August 23, 2023, led to the announcement of August 23rd as National Space Day by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
The theme of this year's National Space Day is Touching Lives While Touching the Moon, India's Space Saga, which emphasizes the profound impact of space technology and exploration on society and technology. National
faculty members, research scholars, and students from various institutions, our special invitees, my colleagues from various departments and friends. A very good morning to you all.
2008. The spacecraft carried a total of 11 scientific instruments. It orbited around the moon at a height of 100 kilometers from the lunar surface for chemical, mineralogical, and photogeologic mapping of the moon. With the suggestion of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, ISRO achieved a remarkable feat by creating the Moon Impact Probe, which became the first Indian object to touch the lunar surface. This accomplishment is a testament to India's innovative approach and dedication to space exploration. The presence of water, H2O, and hydroxyl, OH, on the lunar surface was a groundbreaking discovery of the Chandrayaan-1 mission and opened up new possibilities for lunar exploration. The follow-on mission, Chandrayaan-2, was successfully launched on July 22, 2019 by the ISRO's heavyweight LVM-3 M1 launch vehicle.
The fullness of space technology is many: water body monitoring, groundwater monitoring, flood prediction and management, water resources mapping, to name a few. I am happy to learn that my department shall also be presenting on RTDS, Real-Time Data Acquisition System, which is set to transform our collection of data on water resources in our state.
This method used for brightness temperature measurement using PIR band 10.5 to 12.5 micrometer of the meter. So water resource management, for sustainable water management, it is
not dependable sometimes, especially during storms, lightnings. The tower sometimes get shut. That's why we need satellite. So satellite INSAT is used by this particular RTDS, and we cannot directly get the data from INSAT. It has to go through ERS, Earth Receiving Station. So we are using one Earth Receiving Station owned by CWC. CWC people are also here. So all the NHP implementing agencies are using ERS owned by CWC. So there are two ways. One is through INSAT.
Observation data in its own GNSS processing software. Reference data services, online data processing. Survey of India do provide an online facility for processing the user's GNSS data. Just upload your GNSS observation file and you will receive the process coordinate. Means we need not to go to the office and do processing, we can do at the field itself after completing the observation. In this regard, there are different services provided by Survey of India, and the plan, charges of, for public, charges for private, and the remarks. Reference data services, course, VRS, data download. User can download data of any course station. He may use it for processing its own observation in his own processing software. Here also, service offer is there, like a course VRS data download, the plan, charge for public, charge for private user, and remark. Regarding the pricings of the course service offered by Survey of India, you will get in this website, course.surveyofindia.gov.
Like how to do the validation. Maybe Dr. Sanjay would like to say something? You have applied a lot? Yeah? Or maybe anyone else, like, yeah. Open to. Is my question, yeah? Yes. So for the students, we talk about uncertainty is the error part in a particular image.
Sir, definitely remote sensing always associated with a certain amount of ground verification. Whatever we are interpreting, suppose I prepared a land use land cover map, I need to verify at least 10% of the area by direct field verification. Another thing is that whatever model we are generating, whether it is erosion model or a flood model or whatever it is, with the observed data we are calibrating. And then we are validating it. Then that amount of uncertainty will, to a great extent, we can reduce. And correct georeferencing and usage. Now the course data is available, right. And the correct latitude, longitude values we are getting, correct georeferencing is possible. So positional accuracy is to a great extent we are managing nowadays. So uncertainty will be certain percent, 100% we may not be able to remove, but to a great extent it can be reduced. That is what I feel.
Thank you. Anyone?
Yeah, sir, actually, my thinking goes in this direction that it is very important when we are using remote sensing products in our surface radars, AWLR, and groundwater level radars, GWLR. It is
I, on behalf of Irrigation and Water Resources Department, Mizoram, would like to thank the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, and Team National Hydrology Project for initiating a program like this to engage and inspire the youth of the nation towards space technology and its applications. We extend our heartfelt thanks to UPC Vanalwata, Honorable Minister of Irrigation and Water Resources Department. We thank Pula Rotuama, Chief Engineer, for efficiently organizing this workshop and ably managing it. Our thanks go to Engineer K. Hamlet, Senior EE, and all the staff of Irrigation and Water Resource Department from Work Cell, CE Office, and Division Offices who make all the necessary arrangements to make this function a grand success. Wish you all a pleasant evening. Thank you.